back to Chelle's Glam Home. Well, today I'm excited to share a very glam tablescape. I've put together some very glam ideas for my dining room. I hope you enjoy. Guys, one of my favourite pastimes is recreating looks in my dining room. I like doing everything from farmhouse to rustic glam and to very glam. Today I was feeling very glam and blush pink, and I decided to put together a tablescape with a very glam touch. I started with my gold sparkly chargers from Kmart Australia, as well as these adorable pink flower plates that I recently picked up from Early Settler Furniture. I then added some napkins. I have a combination of polka dot ones as well as this very pale blue ones from Kmart, and I added my bedazzled beautiful napkin rings to each of them. My polka dot napkins are from Pillow Talk Australia, and I love how they tie in so beautifully with the blush pink as well as the sparkly gold chargers. I also couldn't resist adding my blush pink chair, also from Early Settler Furniture, and I've added this adorable fake throw as well as my Chelle's Glam Home cushion. That is made for me by my sweet friend Water from Home of Lady Water on Instagram. If you're interested in any of these cushions, guys, don't forget to check her out. Behind my table I have my TK Maxx Australia white cupboard, as well as my DIY white fake fur chairs. And on top of my little cupboard is my DIY DIOR flower letters. If you'd like to see how I made these flower letters, I'll leave a link to that video down below. Again, these cushions are also from Home of Lady Water, and I'll leave a link to her Instagram account also down below. On my back wall, I chose to hang my DIY DIOR perfume bottle, and I love that it ties in so beautifully with the blush pink as well as a pop of turquoise. Guys, don't be afraid to try different things in your dining room. I like to think outside the box, guys, and try different ways of styling this room. As I'm very glam at heart, I wanted to try something a little extra, guys, where blush pink took over my dining room. My black and white tablecloth is just $5, and I picked it up from Kmart Australia. And my pink flowers as well as the white flowers as my table centerpiece are all from TK Maxx. Guys, blush pink certainly has taken over my life. My favourite colour of all time is turquoise, but I'm so drawn to blush pink. Every time I see something new in pink, Chelle's instantly running for it. As I'm all about decorating on a budget, I encourage you all to check out your local variety stores. Here in Australia, we love Kmart, and Kmart always brings to the party such wonderful, affordable decor. Majority of the stuff here, I paid less than $5, guys. The tablecloth, the chargers, the tablecloth was just $5, the gold chargers just $2. So when next you're out shopping, look for similar things like this that you could actually group together. By taking such affordable pieces, you can give them that high-end look without breaking the budget. So thank you so much for watching, guys. I truly hope you've enjoyed this video. Please don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel and tap that notification bell so you'll be aware next time I upload a video. Don't forget, guys, CHELLE has a goal. I want to reach 20,000 subscribers by Christmas because I have exciting news for you. I'll be doing a wonderful giveaway at 20,000. So don't forget to hit that subscribe button so I can share that with you. So until next time, my friends, I thank you so much for watching and I'll see you all in my next video. Bye, guys.